Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to use link application in Arduino in Tinkercad. Let's start the video. Open Tinkercad, press create, then go to circuits, search for Arduino, take Arduino Uno or 3, place it on the board, then take breadboard. I will take breadboard mini. Also place it on the board. Now take LED. Place it on the breadboard. Now connect the wire. Connect 13 pin of Arduino to the anode terminal of the LED. Then connect ground of Arduino to the cathode terminal of the LED. That's it. Now write code for this project. Open Arduino IDE. This is the code we will upload in our Arduino. So in the void setup function, we have mentioned the pin mode pin 13 will be output. And then in the void function, we write digital write for pin 13 and it should be high. That means the light will be on. And then it will delay for 1 second. Low the 13th pin. And then it will delay for 1 second. And then again it will go first of the code and again it will make the light high, then 1 second low. So thus it will create a blinking application. So now copy the code and then go to Tinkercad, go to the code section, go to the blocks, then text, then continue, then delete all the text. Now paste the code which you have copied. Now minimize the code section and then press start simulation. So you can see our LED is blinking and it is blinking for 1 second as we have written 1 second in the code. Thank you everyone.